Hola, mi amigos. Te amo Simone, and I'm here at Chilitos, located on Hope Road, to get some Jamexican food. Now, Chilitos has been around since the year 2007, so it's going 10 years strong. I want to know what all the excitement and the longevity is about. Come on, vámonos. What can people expect when they come to Chilitos?
Boy, a whole lot. Honestly, Chilitos is a vibe. So they can definitely expect good vibes, good food, and great drinks at affordable prices.
Tell me about some of the food that you serve.
Well, it's our take on Mexican food. We're Jamexican. We're a homegrown Jamaican restaurant that embodies Mexican roots and Mexican recipes, but applied in a Jamaican context. We're Jamexican. So, I mean, on our menu, you can find anything from a jerk chicken taco to an ackee quesadilla. And everything in between. What we do is use the traditional Mexican recipes, but then add a spin with using Jamaican ingredients. So instead of jalapenos, we use a lot of Scotch bonnets, things like that to really bring it into like a really familiar flavor profile. We open every day at 11 a.m. and we close on the weekdays at 10 p.m. but we go a little bit later on the weekend. So we go until about 11 p.m. on Fridays and Saturdays. However, we do not open on Sundays, at least not yet. We need a little rest day, so right now it's Monday to Saturday.
And do you have like any special events, like salsa nights, I don't know, margarita nights?
Good question. So as I said, Chilitos is a vibe, and we definitely want to keep the vibe going, and what makes people feel good is coming here and getting a really good deal. Our prices are generally very affordable, but we have our special days where we make it a little extra special. So on Mondays, you can come in and for a Margarita Mondays, which is discounted margaritas. Tuesdays is Taco Tuesday, which is an institution that we're very proud of, where you can come and get a single taco right now for about 20% off the regular price. And then on Fridays, you can get Burrito Fridays, where you get a burrito for $600, and it is still a belly full.
Do you do takeouts, or do I have to come to the restaurant to get these good food?
You can do anything you want and everything in between. We have a takeout window right around the corner right there. You can walk up, get in and out really quick, or you can bring your crew, have a vibe, and split a burgerito.
I noticed that you have some art about the place. Tell me about those.
So art and creativity in general is something we're very proud of and is an integral part of our brand. One of the brand values that we have, other than empathy, is celebrating individuality, and so that we embody that with our art here. Our first mural is actually out at the front. It's a mural done by Charles Baker, excellent artist, of Frida Kahlo, her interpretation. And the next one out here, this has been a long time in the making, is actually from Matthew McCarthy, and this is a very unique signature piece that he has done for us here, and it's the embodiment of Jamexican culture. He actually did a show here called Panatone, where he did the outline and had different people coming in and painting it themselves while he supervised, to show kind of the unity and the blending of people. Brilliant idea. And yeah, so absolutely, it is an integral part of our brand, and we're very proud of it.
About your Christmas specials.
Christmas specials. I love our Christmas specials this year. We have our sorrel margarita, which we did last year, big success. This year it's coming back, it's even better. It even tastes more like sorrel. Very good. We do a sorrel rimmer with it as well. So it's dried sorrel blended with some sugar and some salt and some secret stuff, and it's very, 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 very enjoyable. Then we're also doing a Christmas taco special. It's our chicharron tacos. So chicharron in Mexico is like crispy pork skin, or crispy pork with like a little bit of meat on it. So we use pork belly here, fry it till it gets really crispy. It's very soft on the inside. We top it with our sweet spicy slaw, and then we top it all that with our sorrel salsa, which is very good. So we definitely do our events here. So that Margarita Mondays that I mentioned earlier, in the summer, we do a summer series where we have a DJ coming in, and it's definitely a vibe. It's definitely a fun time, and we definitely do special events here, ranging from art shows here, where we have a local artist come in and display his or her work throughout the restaurant. We do. I mean, The last thing I think we did was a Halloween party, which was great. Yeah, we encourage everybody to dress up, come out and get free shots if you come out in costume. So yeah, I would say about every month or so we have a special event.
So what do you plan to serve us today?
So today you get to try our Christmas specials, and you can tell me if you like it. So that's the chicharron tacos with the sorrel salsa as well as the sorrel margarita. But also I really want you to see the Jamexican side of us. So you're gonna get an ackee wet burrito. That's a big popular item here, the wet burrito in general, as well as a nacho supreme. And I think we're gonna throw in a burgerita, which is a hugely popular drink.
Guys, Chilitos really excited our taste buds. Let me tell you, the portion versus the affordability definitely gets my vote. And of course, the drinks, yummy customer service, top of the line. Chilitos, you get a big thumbs up from our Culinary Trails crew.
Boy, I am very proud of the Chilitos brand. We are a homegrown brand. Chilitos has been around since 2007, and it was originated by 3 siblings who are exactly half Mexican and half Jamaican. I can't think of a more authentic brand, and I'm very proud that we're able to show it off.
Hey there, do you want to learn something new? Stick around for this upcoming recipe. And be sure to continue to watch Culinary Trails on Fridays during the news on PBCJ.
My dad gave me a piece of pumpkin. Pretty pumpkin. I didn't want it. I didn't want to just eat it alone. I wanted to make something from it. So I decided, let's try the rum cream. But I wanted, since it's the Christmas season, I wanted to pair it with something warm. So I chose cinnamon. So voila. Jamaican yellow heart breadfruit, ripe. It has to be ripe and sweet and yellow. And then I pull it apart and pureed it with a little heavy cream, and it goes through a double boiler system. I've added a little bit of sweetener to it, and of course my secret ingredient, and it's as smooth as silk.
Merry Christmas!